Ready to cast. In today's video, I'm going to be making slime in a plastic bag. So, I got this idea from Life with Brothers that they kind of just posted. So, let's just get started. But first, you need to add the glue into it, which is going to be like the hardest part in the world. You can literally, you have to do it like one-handed. Like, it's really hard to do it. You gotta do it like that, and you gotta be like, pour. Oh, this is not working. Guys, how am I supposed to do this? Wait. Let's see. Wait, guys. Get in. I can't get any in there. It's okay, look. That's all that I got in there. Just gotta keep on trying. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Yes, I'm finally getting ahead in the game here. Guys, do you see this right now? I do. And I am disappointed by it. More glue is what we need to be added. Oh no, okay, it almost got it just closed on me. Wow, how rude of you. Would you stay open? Glue. Okay. I just got this bottle of glue, so I'm trying not to waste it all in one day. So now I'm gonna let it fall. Okay. Now I'm spreading. And let's spread. Now I'm gonna add in baking soda to it. Okay, and then you just smash it down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you probably don't. Okay. Like, smash it in, you know? Now I'm gonna add in coloring. Let's see. Okay, it's coming out. Oh. Okay. Nice. I made a mess! Yay! We'll bust it through the back. Okay. Made a huge mess. Yay! Okay, so anyway, get back to this video. I guess it's gonna be a purple slime, because that's the one that I got. Guys, look at how much of a mess that this is. It's okay, I guess. Not really, but whatever. Nothing I can do. I'll clean it up after. So I'm going to be adding in the purple now. And then you just rub. You click and you rub. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. You could like poke it like slime. Ooh. Okay, so the color is in one spot there. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Come on, food coloring. Get all over the place, let's go. Okay, I mostly just added it everywhere now. I'm gonna be blending it down. Hopefully it'll reach its way to the bottom. I'm trying to help it reach its way, so that's what I got so far. Okay. Now we're gonna add most of the things that did not fall out. So here I have some star glitter that we're just going to be sprinkling in. We're going to use it all up. Okay. Now we're just going to blend it very well. It's fun poking it to me. Oh no, this made a huge, gigantic mess. Okay, yep. It literally, oh no, okay. Busted through the back. Okay, we're gonna figure out what to do with that after this video. So this is what the slime looks like. We're gonna add in some more stars. I can open it. Oh no. Okay, it's on the ground, it's okay. It's only the cover. So I added in some stars. And some more stars. And I'm just gonna. It's so fun to poke it though. Okay. So it looks really pretty. And I'm gonna add in the whole thing because it's gonna be really pretty. Okay. Guys, look inside of the bag. It's kind of pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's pretty. Now, I think I'm going to activate it up. The activator is right here. I don't know how well this is going to work. I mean, I don't really know. I've never made slime in a bag before, but I guess you're supposed to like stretch it or something. Or like go in with your hands to feel the texture, because right now it's definitely not ready. Just gonna add more activator. Or you could just go in there with a spoon and be like mixing up the top of the bag. Oh, yeah, this is not ready at all. You'll know. Trust me. You will know. Sad. Oh, no more. It's so fun to poke though. And like, have you ever tried like cutting it from the bottom? That's the best. How am I supposed to do this? What have I done? Guys, I'm gonna cut the bag and put it into a bowl. What bowl? I don't know. Maybe this, nope, that's a good slime. This one, that's the one that I need to get rid of. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna cut it from this bottom part. Okay. Now it will dribble out. Guys, look at it, look at it, look at it pour. Look at it, look at it. Hey, where's it coming out of? Oh, I can't see. Oh, wait, where's it coming out of? Oh, here, I think, right? Oh, no, this side. Okay. Now I know. Whoa. Guys, this is so amazing how it, like, pours out like that. Wow, the slime has a lot of surprises in it. Okay, now we're gonna cut this one too. Ready? Snipple. Oh, whoa, it just came out like that. Now I have two sides flying out. Whoa. Now one side is white and one's just like, I'm just trying to chill and you're ruining my life. Because I'm cutting it open. Oh, yes. It's like cake batter. Okay. Well, oh no. That's that. Yeah, there's still a lot in here, but that's gonna be all that I add. And then you gotta chill. You have to chill. Oh no. Okay. Now that it's out of there, I could see if it's been full. Oh yeah, this definitely hasn't been activated. But that was fun making it in a plastic bag though, guys. Baking soda. Add in more activator. Cause who doesn't love activator? I don't know who doesn't love activator. Ooh, what song am I singing? I don't know, I just made it up, guys. Okay. So this slime is almost coming together, actually. Look at it, it's doing pretty good for being in a plastic bag. My hands are mostly destroyed, but that is okay. No, it isn't, but it's okay. Not really, but just dream on, people. Dream bigly. Add the leaf. Okay. that's just what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna play with as much slime as I got. Oh, great. Now it's super sticky because of all the glue. Ooh, no. Oh, okay. Guys, my life is full of surprises, literally. Okay, this needs way more activator. Okay, good. I think I fixed it a little bit. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. So, this was a gigantic mess video for me. You guys might not think so, but off camera, trust me. And I'm just going to include clips of me cleaning so that you guys can see what I need to go through. Okay, so anyway, did it get on my shirt? Now I'm getting scared. I don't think so. This is my slime that I made out of a bag. It's really pretty, actually. I don't really make purple slimes rarely. So, wait, let's see if I stretch it. Can you see all the stars I put in it? No, you cannot. Okay, that's cool. Okay, but anyway, we still need to get everything out of here, because there's so many things in this thing. Oh, wow, okay. This was, well, epic. Okay. So, this is what my slime turned out to be. So, just gonna plop you in there, close you up. Okay, nice. Nice and gluey. Now, clips of me cleaning. I'm just gonna put this away. So, yeah. My Sunday pop will try again to blow a bubble that will last all day. Oh no. Oh no, don't stick. Okay. No, that's full. Why did I do that? Okay. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Your garbage. Garbage. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Garbage. You still work. You work. Garbage. Garbage. Still some of you left. Still some of you left. Still some of you left. Garbage. Throw my rock that I got. And one token I made. Throw out. Keep. Throw out. Throw out. Keep. Throw out. Throw out. Throw out. Throw out. It's empty. Throw out. So everything that's staying. So, this is what happened. Did you see that sparkles right there? Yeah, this turns out to be my life. So guys, as you could tell outside, it's nighttime. So good night, guys. It is 7 o'clock. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. This video was super epic. Bye guys. I love you.